Welcome back to Divine Tech Technologies. In this brief video, we are going to give a tutorial on how to export results to your internal system in Excel format, which is very important because most exam analysis systems use Excel as an interface. So before we proceed on, you'll notice that when you receive this application and you've logged in, it is blank. There is no data, and you have no data whatsoever from any source. And we have prepared a simulation page. So we are going to click simulate, and you will see on the simulate there are two processes here. There is sending demo results, and then on the right top corner there is simulate results. Now simulate results is automatic. It will just create demo results and then give back to the application. But the sending demo results means you will be sending an SMS to your number. And as the application receives the SMS, it will treat it to be coming from KNEC, and it will analyze it. So you can still try that. You just type the recipient number, you type your phone number, right there on the recipient number, and then you click send message. And this is only available on Android platform. So because we are on desktop, we are going to use simulate results because we want to do it very fast. So I click simulate. Then it's giving me a warning that this will delete the result. There's no problem with this. Just proceed and click yes. And let's wait for a moment. Just give it a moment, and it's deleting the information. Now it's telling me that to view the simulation results, you navigate to the simulation page. So I want to click OK, and then I will wait for a moment. Now, so you can see the results are flowing. Now, once the results are flowing, we have explained this in a different video. So let me go straight away now to exportation. So once the results are, assuming that all the 478 results are in, I'll go to merit list. So I'll click merit list. So I'm going to click merit list. Now once I click merit list, this is not yet analyzed. So I'll click refresh merit list. And wow, there I have the merit list. The leading student is having an A-79, and there is a tie of 2 students there. And these are the subject scores, and this is the merit list. So we are going to go for an export button that is up there. So I click export. This will export to Excel. So once I click export, so it's opening for me a file explorer. So I want to save it in a location where I remember. So I'll click save, and it's going to open the file so that we can view the contents. Remember, this is just in the middle of the analysis. So you wait until all the analysis are, all the results are in, all the analysis are being received. So we have this document, and I can expand the first column so that you can see the index numbers. You can see the index numbers, the admission number, the stream, and the name of the students, and then the scores and everything. So this is the document that you can use for import into your internal system. Then secondly, so I'll close this document and then show you how to export the other document. Probably I will use Android platform this time around so that you can see how you can export directly to WhatsApp. So I'm going to open the Android application so that I can show you. Just a moment, I do this so that I can show you how we do this on the Android platform. My phone was already logged out, so I need to open the application. Just a moment. Okay, now it's opening. So here we are back. There we go. So we are going to go to analysis. So you see this page is blank, so we have not analyzed the results. So it's blank, showing subject ranking is blank, stream ranking it is blank. So I'm going to click analyze results, and boom, it's analyzed. So once they analyze like this is what we may want to share to our fellow colleagues on our WhatsApp platform. So I'm going to click export, and this is on Android platform. And then it's going to give me share. So I want to share to our WhatsApp. Let me share to one of my friends on WhatsApp. Boom, it's going there. And then I can open it. So if I open it, well, there you go. I have the results. So this is the first sheet, and this is the sheet for stream ranking. So I can go to sheet 2, subject stream ranking. I can go and you can see all the details are available, and you can save this in PDF if you want. And I can see here subject stream ranking, all the subjects have been ranked subject stream wise. Let me open this on the on the desktop platform so that I can see, because this one is a smaller screen. So I'll go to desktop and then I'll go to analysis. And then I will click analyze results. I hope now more results have streamed, probably all the results. So I should be able to see probably a better mean, and all the results have streamed now. I should see, just give it a moment. It's analyzing here. There we go. So you can see subject stream ranking. This the leading subject is doing a design 10.215. Then on the stream ranking, the stream east is leading with 9.8704. Then you can see subject stream ranking. You can see them agriculture, art and design, biology, and we can scroll down and see all the results. And you can also export from here. You can click export, Excel export, and you have it on your desktop. But I think probably you will prefer to do it on Android, because this is meant for sharing and you can print it if you want. Thank you very much. Welcome to Divine Technologies.